Meaning of haggis.
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 Haggis. Haggis is a traditional Scottish dish made from sheep's heart, liver, and lungs that have been minced with onion, oatmeal, suet, and spices, then packed into a sheep's stomach and cooked. The resulting dish is rich, savory, and hearty, with a unique texture and flavor that is beloved by many Scots. Haggis is often served with neeps, turnips, and tatties, potatoes, and is a staple of many Scottish celebrations, including Burns Night. While its origins are somewhat murky, haggis has become a cultural icon of Scotland and is increasingly enjoyed around the world.